Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Sagittarius for week ahead. So watch this video if you're a Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. Let me just find my crystal to charge the deck, yeah, before I can start seeing your messages. All right, so now let's see messages for Sagittarius. What is happening for my Sagittarius? So we have Three of Pentacles. Some of you, a lot of your focus is on your career, money. Some of you might be trying to find a job, or you might be looking forward to a new project within a job. Whatever it is, with the Three of Pentacles, it is basically asking you to work in groups and teams. Do not try to do things all by yourself. Try to seek help, all right? Even if you're trying to find a job, try to seek help. And if you're working in a company, or whatever you're doing, just try to take help. Even if you're an entrepreneur, then maybe just delegate your work or seek more help or whatever. All right, don't try to do things all by yourself, because group work, teamwork is going to be very, very beneficial for you. Also, when it comes to love, I see you were seeking cooperation from somebody. Like you just wanted somebody to play their part. You did not wanted this person to walk the entire mile for you. You were like, I'm going to do my 50% and you do your 50%. And even that is something which this person could not do for you. Some of you, it could be an earth sign or a water sign that you were dealing with. And now I see that you're trying to emotionally detach yourself from this drama, because you feel that if somebody cannot put in even half effort to be in this connection with me, then what's the point? Like if somebody does not reciprocate the connection with you, if somebody do not value your efforts, you're trying to isolate yourself from that. Okay, what is happening in Sagittarius life these days? You are trying to take back control of your life. Some of you, you kind of lowered your, ego for this person, I would say, or maybe your self-respect. You tried to overcompensate, over-adjust. Some of you were trying to bend over backwards to make this connection work, and now you kind of realize that that is not helping. So you're trying to take control of your life back. Some of you are trying to divert your attention towards your career or your stability. You feel that you wasted a lot of time on this person, and now they do not appreciate. So you're basically showing them that yes, even you can do things for yourself and you're not relying on them. So that is your attitude. You're basically trying to find your lost confidence, and you're just trying to find your direction once again. So it's like you're just trying to be by yourself and trying to make things happen by yourself. What else? What is coming towards Sagittarius next? King of Wands. Wow, some of you, you're going to be very focused, very driven in the coming weeks is what I see. Like you were dealing with somebody who was not giving you the clarity, right? And you kept on waiting for this person to make the effort, and now when they're not doing it, you're not waiting for this person to give you any sort of clarity. You're like, fuck this shit, let me just focus on my life. Like, why am I ruining my life for this person? So you are trying to divert that attention towards your own self-development. I see your money looks really, really good with the Queen of Pentacles. So you are achieving some sort of stability. Some of you are also becoming very creative these days. So you might be pursuing something creative, or you're just trying to be, maybe, like do some venture from home. So you might start a startup, or you're just learning, educating yourself. Whatever it is, I see your creative abilities are on peak now. And you're just trying to be happy. Like all you want for now is happiness. All you want for now is peace and structure in your life. You kind of feel that because of all of this, your life just kind of got all over the place. You're trying to divert attention back to yourself, focusing on your own growth. Okay, what is Sagittarius feeling for this person? Four of Cups. Yeah, see, as I said, you're not focusing on this person. Some of you feel that you're not optimistic about this connection as well. You feel this person do not give you what you want, and they give you cold shoulder. Some of you, this person might have ghosted you. They stopped communicating, or even if they communicate, they just are too negative. So some of you, you're just trying to detach from this person. You're also very anxious about it. So on the surface, you're trying to show to this person that you don't care, but internally you are feeling anxious, because you kind of realize that how much effort you had put in this connection and it did not really work. So you're kind of low-key obsessed, not obsessed, upset about it, and you're just trying to just detach. Some of you might delete this person, block this person, or you're just deleting your own social media. You just don't want to be bothered for now, is what I see. So you might be emotionally stuck, emotionally you feel a little stuck. You're trying to move forward and you're trying to be this badass and you're doing good as well, but I see emotionally something just keeps bothering you because you kind of remind yourself of all the times that you had put efforts into the connection and now it's not working out. So things are feeling a little difficult. Okay, oops, 2 of Cups. But I see, nevertheless, you have options in love. If you open yourself up, you might be feeling that there is nobody around you and nobody wants you and whatever. There could be a water sign, some of you. There could be a water sign very strongly. Or could be any sign who's interested in you. So I do see options in love if you open your eyes, and if you explore options. There could be a proposal coming in for some of you in 2 months, I would say. And it is going to be a very balanced connection. The same balance that you were seeking here is what I see is coming from this person who's coming next to you. So I would ask you not to stop your life for anybody or anything, right? Like if somebody messed up with you, you just need to show them who you are. And that is something which I see you already are doing. You are stepping into your Queen of Pentacle energy and you are becoming this badass. So just continue being that and do not close opportunities for you, right? So if somebody was not giving you the commitment that you wanted, do not make yourself suffer for that, right? So yes, what else? Page of Pentacles. See, so I see that you are basically recognizing your potential. Like this situation that happened in your life, this kind of made you awakened, right? And you kind of realized that you were not focusing on your life and you were completely relying on this person for your happiness, or you just were waiting for this person to up level and they never did that and you kind of wasted a lot of your time. So you are trying to realize all of this and you're taking back control of your life. Some of you also feel money could be a concern right now, but you don't have to worry because we have Page of Pentacle, Queen of Pentacle, 3 of Pentacles, so you will get out of this situation very soon. Do not worry about it. I see your finances are going to get sorted for sure. Some of you also need to trust your intuition a little more because I saw the High Priestess card. Because, the problem is when we are going through a difficult situation, we use a lot of logic. And sometimes, miracles do not come through logics. When miracles happen, you cannot really logically explain them. So sometimes you need to completely surrender and believe in universe that a way is going to come out and you will find the right direction. So some of you really need to do that, because if you try to find a lot of logic, then you will be stuck in the situation. Okay, so you need to understand that. Okay, what's the advice for Sagittarius? King of Swords. Your advice is to again bring back balance in your life and don't be too harsh on yourself. Like don't be overcritical. Some of you need to stop doing the negative self-talk and overly criticizing yourself as to why was I doing this, regretting and all. Just let that energy go. Whatever happened in the past. You cannot do anything about it. Now don't be bitter about the situation and do not close your doors of happiness. If opportunities are coming in, whether it is career, whether it is relationship, be more optimistic towards it. At least explore and see what's happening and then go forward, because I see a very beautiful connection that's coming towards you, some of you, but because you are too logical and too in your mind and too critical, you might just close your eyes and miss the opportunity. So do not do that. 3 of Swords. See, so if something is bothering you, there's like negative emotions, just release them and work on your self-confidence, right? Do not be overcritical. Do not judge yourself. I see that, whatever happens. You need to learn the lesson, embrace the lesson and move forward. That's the best way of living life. If you continue living in the same loop, blaming yourself or blaming on the other person, things are not going to move forward, right? So you need to understand that somewhere you have to stop the blame game and you have to take charge of your life. Some of you feel very, very heavy and burdened with the 3 of Swords energy and the Moon card. Maybe something got revealed about this person, or you just got to know a shocking truth or whatever. Like something is feeling very heavy on your heart, and it's very difficult for you to completely let go of the situation and take back control. I can understand that, and that is why you're basically closing yourself to any opportunities, because you do not want to get hurt once again. All right, so let us say this person's energy towards you, Sagittarius. Six of Pentacles. Some of you, this person was just a taker. Like you were the one who was giving into the situation, and they kept on taking it. So it was a very unidirectional love. They were just there for the benefits. Four of Pentacles. This person is very closed off in their energy. I see this person is very, very non-expressive, and they just kind of took from you in the situation. This person's next action towards Sagittarius. Two of Wands. Ooh, what? Communication. This bitch is contemplating how can they reach out to you. Wow. And with the Mercury retrograde, I'm not even surprised. Some of you, this person is planning how to reach out to you because they realize what they messed up. With the Strength card, they definitely know that every time they wanted something, they could rely on you, and now when you're not there, they want to reach out to you. Some of you, in 2 weeks, you might hear from this person. But this person is very self-centered, is what I see, This person is just all about them. Like, if they get the benefit, they invest in the situation. Otherwise, they don't. That's the problem. The Hermit card, see? I see somebody reaching out to you after this no contact period. This person definitely went on to a no contact period with you. And I see some of you, you're going to let go of this person because you feel there is no point in continuing with them because they never give you what you want. Somebody is drama bitch here, okay? So they know that they can rely upon you. They know that you're never going to betray them. They know that you're a very strong person, very strong individual, but then still this person causes unnecessary drama. Some of you, this person knows your worth. They definitely see you as the Empress. They know that you have your shit sorted and you're very caring and nurturing, and they will never find somebody like you, but still this person comes with their own drama and conflicts. Like, I see this person just has some toxic traits and they like drama without any reason, What's going to be the outcome here? Yeah, Four of Swords. You're not sure if you want to open up to this person once again because you're very scared to get your heart broken once again. Some of you, you're going to avoid this person for time being. You're like, no, I can't deal with this anymore. You're just trying to resist this conflict is what I see. You're trying to protect your mental peace. Nine of Wands, yeah. Now you are very skeptical. Like earlier I see they were very skeptical, and now you are very skeptical because you do not want drama with this person. You do not want to be part of any petty argument. You don't. Some of you are just trying to manifest a new career or a business opportunity. You're very much focused on your own personal growth. You feel you don't have time for drama. However, I see this person is going to approach you because they realize what they missed, right? Some of you are this person's wish fulfillment. Like, this bitch is an unnecessary drama bitch, is what I see. Like, literally. They know everything, they realize everything, but they still make mistakes. Let us see for singles what is coming towards my single Sagittarius. Three of Cups. There could be a very, very beautiful connection coming towards you. It could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You're going to meet this person through friends, or this could be already a friend of yours. Yeah, for my singles, I definitely see a new beginning in love. It's going to be very passionate, very sudden. Could be coming from your close network circle, through your friends, or this could be a friend turning into lover. If you're open to love, I see there is an opportunity coming in. Some of you really need to, again, let go of the toxic talks that you do to yourself, the negative self-talk, because some of you, it's like there is some sort of trauma or toxic situation that happened with you, which you find very difficult to release, and you kind of keep bringing the same trauma over and over again in your relationships, and you become very skeptical and closed off. You need to stop doing that, okay? Give me a message for Sagittarius. Flirt. See, some of you, I definitely see somebody is going to come in with a very light-hearted energy towards you. So you are here stressing about this person, but when this person appears in your life, they'll be like, yeah, so what? I think we are cool. Like, what happened between us? They will not even realize what happened, you know, or they will show to you that they don't realize. Passion. There's a lot of passion between you and this person. Like, they find you super attractive, forgiving and learning. Somebody wants to apologize because they realize what are they missing by not having you in their life. So expect an apology, expect a message. I definitely see somebody contemplating to reach out to you, but I also see that you are going to maintain your distance from this person. I miss you. This bitch is missing you. Didn't I tell you this? Somebody is missing. I'm sorry. I disconnected from. Ooh. This person is sorry that they ghosted you. And they are coming back. They are coming back. Our time together is coming. Our time is coming finally. So yeah, they think that you guys are meant to be together, and they will make it a possibility, whatever. So now you can decide whether you want them or not. Your call. That was the reading. Hope this helps to resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.